Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone is stuck in the zoom mode like this. So this issue is happening for many of the users across the globe, and we can address the issue and how we can fix this up in a simple tutorial. So what you need to do is, if you're on the stuck on the zoom mode like this, what you need to do is you have to use three fingers on your beard hand like this. So you have to use it and you have to double tap it. That's all you have to do. So to do this, what you need to do is you have to use like this, and you have to go over here and just tap over here like this. You have to tap over here, double tap. When you do the double tap, it is being completely taken out over here like this. And right now, afterwards, you have to give the passcode in order to enter into that. Get into the further. So just give the respective passcode. So I'm going to give my passcode over here like this. So right there, as you can see, I've given the passcode and I'm fine with it. But the question straight remains, what happens if this keeps happening again and again? So we need a solution how to get completely rid of this to avoid all these kind of issues in the future. So to do this, you just need to follow this, that you just need to go over here in the settings over here. And now from here, you just need to tap over here in the accessibility. Now from here, there is an option called zoom, just tap on this one. And right there, as you can see, the zoom is actually turning off. So that is why we are having this issue. So you just need to turn this off. So once after we turn this off, and afterwards, you'll not be having these kind of issues hereafter. And also, what you have to do when you have this particular issue, kind of hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. Bye.